Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. Sorry I haven't been very active on here. I had a cold and it's now going, so I'm going to be more active, and also I'm going to be checking all your videos because I haven't had a chance to check any videos. This look is my sexy Halloween look. When you've got a Halloween party and you want to look sexy, this is the look for you. I paired it with this lovely pinky purple hair. Got this hair from Rose Girl, actually. Rose Girl, I think it's called. I got it for $16.99. In the picture that I saw, let me tell you, it looked absolutely gorgeous. The front is all laid and it came, and the front was just ridiculous. I just could not do anything. Like I'm telling you, I couldn't do anything with the front. The front just looked like it was just there. It's not human hair. I just wanted to use it for this look. The hair, I'm not loving it at all. It shreds like crazy. It tangles like crazy. You have to keep on combing it because it's tangling every single minute. And who's got time for that? Nobody got time for that. I'm definitely not buying this hair again. If you like this look and you want to see how I created it, please keep watching. Don't forget to like my video, comment, share, and can be a part of my video. And subscribe as well. Subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. God bless. I'm going to prime my eye because it's... So going in for that black here. guys, my battery died, so that's why I did the blending off camera. I was actually doing the blending, didn't realize that the camera was dead. So I was still doing the makeup, so I do apologize. Anyway, I'm back now. I just charged the camera and now I'm going to continue the makeup.